In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy kitchen items in Amazon. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in amazon.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to buy the kitchen items, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is search for it. Click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now you can simply search for the specific kitchen item that you would like to buy, or you can also simply search for the brand that sells those. Here I'm just going to type in kitchen items. Now press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find the kitchen item that you search for. Now what you have to do is simply find the kitchen item that you would like to buy. Once you do that, click on it. Now you'll be able to find more details regarding that particular kitchen items. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find more information regarding this item. You'll be able to see the brand, color, material, product dimensions, capacity, etc. You'll also be able to read about this item over here. So you can read these informations if you want. After you do that, what you have to do is simply select the size. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, select the quantity. Click on the field of quantity. Now what you have to do is select the quantity over here. After you do that, click on this option, add to cart, that you can see on the screen. Now this particular item will be added to the cart. Now what you have to do is simply go to the cart. Click on the cart icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to view the cart over here. Make sure the kitchen item that you added to the cart right now is selected over here. You'll also be able to see the subtotal. Now click on this option, proceed to checkout, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the checkout interface. Over here, what you have to do is add the delivery address. You can see over here, I've already added it. You can also change the address if you want. Click on this option, change, and you'll be able to change it. Now after you add the delivery address, you'll also have to select the payment method. You'll be able to find various payment methods over here. What you have to do is click on the payment method of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option, add a credit or debit card. Now if you also do that, you'll have to enter the card details over here. So first of all, enter the card number. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Now enter the name on card. Likewise, select the expiration date. First of all, select the month. Now select the year. Now also enter your CVV or CVC over here. After you do that, click on this option, add your card, that you can see on the screen. Now if the informations are correct, this particular card will be added as the payment method. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, use this payment method that you can see on the screen. Pay for it. Wait until the transaction is completed. After the transaction is completed, your order will be placed and you'll be able to receive the order within the estimated shipping time. So that is how you buy kitchen items on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.